Start by measuring where you want your shoe shelves to go. Then, install the M20 bolts into the rear system holes and placing the pins in the front holes at a lower level to achieve the desired slant profile. Prepare the shelf by attaching the shoe fence to the bottom of the pre-drilled shelf. Insert the bolts and tighten the fence into place. Now lock the shoe shell into the cam positions in the back, secure them, and lower it onto the front pins. Voila! Your shoe shells are complete and look amazing. Your Levio system is now complete. Enjoy the sleek, high-tech design of your new custom wall-hung closet.